Let's talk about JURA 15163Z6 coffee machine, 1450W, Aluminium black. Fully automatic bean-to-cup coffee machine elegantly combines convenience, reliability and style. Introducing a world-first P.E.P for outstanding barista quality espresso and ristretto. Integrated Aroma G3 burr grinder, 15-bar pump and thermoblock heating technology for consistent quality coffee. 12 individually programmable specialty coffees. Use with fresh coffee beans. Just purchased this machine, so I am still testing all the options. So far so good. Obviously this is an expensive investment and like all highly engineered machines, it is quite expensive to maintain. Once you start to buy replacement water filters, cleaning tablets and milk cleaning fluid, the cost rises further, hence the loss of 1 star. If you buy this machine, and like your coffee with milk, I recommend you add a bottle of milk cleaning solution, as this needs to be used daily to keep the machine clean and hygienic. The supplied bottle 100 ml will only last a few days. Superb coffee machine.